What's up, traders? Today we're talking about AIRT, ADXN, GEVO, a few big stocks that were moving. Please like, share, subscribe the video, sign up for coaching, greenwoodstocktrading@gmail.com if you need help, and join our Discord. So right now, it's Christmas. Merry Christmas. We're just looking back at the trade we made this past week. Now, this is halt season. I was calling it the holiday season, but it's halt season because all these stocks are getting halted multiple times during the day. How do you trade these? Well, you trade them on dips, and you trade them whenever you see big momentum and big volume increasing and expanding. You want to get in as soon as you can. Okay, so it's two strategies. You're trading momentum or you're trading support and resistance. I do both. Okay, so let's zoom in and see what happened. Right on the open, the stock goes from $11.36 to $13, and this is a 5-minute chart. So 5-minute chart. So let's see exactly how long it took. So boom, this halt, bam, and it's already halted. So as soon as it opened, it done that. Now it got some news, a new aircraft management business joint venture. Okay, what do we talk about? We talk about the quality of the catalyst. We talk about what it means. We talk about the money, and we also talk about the float and the share structure. So what's going on with this float and the share structure? Well, let's see. Let's see if Yahoo can give us some information on this. Now, I don't go and I look and read these press releases all the time. I read the headlines, but look at this. The parties anticipate the CFII will be capitalized initially with approximately $108 million. Okay, what does that mean? This stock has a $36 million market cap. So they're saying we're giving these people about 3, 6, 9, 12, about 4 times as much as what they're worth right now. So theoretically, already the stock should be valued at about 4 times where it's at. So what's 11 times 4? Well, let's check this out. Let's see how it played out on the chart. 11 times what? Boom, 43. So it's almost exact. When you get an investment that's X times the market size, you can pretty much see or gauge where the stock is going to move or how much it's going to move. Okay, let's look at the rest of it though, because it has a bigger number at the end of the press release. The upsize commitment is anticipated to exceed $250 million. Okay, so show me the money. That's what this is all about. That's what these press releases are all about to investors. How is it going to help their bottom line? How is it going to help the company's bottom line? Okay, so AIRT, we got in $26. Yeah, $26 is where we got in AIRT. Okay, I could not resist. And I said on my Twitter that I was going in, okay? Let me see here. All right. I said risky, but we're getting in. Huge upside, 1 million share float, no resistance. What was I looking at? I'm looking at the fact that this stock had no resistance. Now, ADXN, we'll talk about that in a little bit. This stock had lots of resistance. But look at this. There's no resistance. There's no place where the stock ran up and then pulled all the way back. The stock just kept going. Okay, now let's get back into the chart. 5 minutes, you see a halt. Okay, anytime, okay, this is another thing. If you don't want to jump in and take a big risk, anytime a stock makes support, so look at these levels of support. Okay, look at this, boom, halt. You should be in after the first halt. The halt bot is going to tell you. Okay, I'm giving you my process now. This takes practice. I can give you everything I do all the time. That does not mean that you're going to be able to execute it. That's why we have coaching. That's why there are lessons, and it takes experience to know when to get in the feel of these stocks. Okay, the halt bot. Look at him. He's halting. I follow this guy because he tells you what stocks are moving the fastest. And that's how I like to make money. Fast, and I like 100% to 1,000% runners. That's what we're building our brand on, okay? So this halt bot is telling me AIRT is getting halted. So when it makes support, when it finally flattens out and starts trading like a regular stock, okay, you want to be in here. But when it finally flattens out, boom, it tries to go down to 24. Broke 24, got back in this channel. Boom, tries to go down to 24. It hits 30 and tries to go back down to 26. And from that point on, we ride up, okay? We ride up, all right? Volume stays. Now, I haven't went over this very much, but I call this volume filling. I call this filling because you see how there's gaps right here. There's gaps in this volume. There's gaps in these volumes. When the volume fills, okay, look at how this is filled. This volume measurement is filled up. It's filled up with green volume bars. That lets you know the stock is healthy as far as on the uptrend. Okay, so we alerted this. We told everybody we're getting in. 26, we got in right here. Actually, I remember this candlestick because it got halted on the way down. And then boom, it goes up. So from 26 to 42, not a bad trade. We actually got out at about 32, I think. So we made $5 on the trade. Multiply that times however many shares that you want to buy, and you'll see your profits. All right, let's look at ADXN. We're not going to go over fundamentals here. ADXN, wow. This stock halted, nothing but up halts all the way up until it hit 35. Look at the volume. Look at the volume filling in. Look at it constantly increasing, okay? So when you see this, halt, 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 okay? It was 5 halts before it even pulled back. Okay, you want to be in these stocks. I say it all the time. It only takes one quality trade per month. Get the majority of your capital into one of these, and what do? You know, you multiply your account by 25% a week. That's 100% every month. That's making you a millionaire. If you're starting with $200 or $300, it's making you a millionaire if you do that. Do the math and tell me what it figures out to be. All right. So again, I want to get in on a dip, or if I see this volume continue to come in and there's no resistance, there's a little resistance, and I'll go to that in a second. But look at the dip. Okay, you get in on one of these dips, okay, and you don't have to worry about much else. You're at $20. You get in right here, okay. I like to take chances. I'm in here. I do all kinds of stuff, okay? But I've seen these patterns play out, so I know more how to play them, all right? So you get in on the dip at 20, as one of my clients did, and look at it hug this 20 on the 5 minute, okay? 20 to 30. How would you like that? You're in and out the trade in 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes, okay? Let me zoom out and see what happened. All right. And we ended up after hours because the market got cut short. It ends up dipping and kind of going back to where it is now. Okay. So again, don't be late on these. Get the halt immediately and get a feel for the stock so you can get in on an early entry. All right. GEVO. Let's see here. GEVO, real quick. GEVO used to be a small cap stock. Now, another thing, let's do a quick 30-second lesson on when to buy on dips. It's the same thing. All right, you see a pop, you want to buy on the first dip, okay? Because even if you buy on the first dip, and you know you get a pullback and it runs up, you're still in at a decent price. All right. A lot of stocks have been trading off the 50. What does that mean? The 50-day moving average right here on the 5-minute chart. I see this time and time again. These stocks bounce off the 50. So make sure you have these indicators up, these moving averages. All right. GEVO is a clean energy fuel stock, and obviously that's going to be trending with this new administration. Please like, share, subscribe. Catch you on the flip side. Catch you on the green side, and subscribe to our Discord. Thank you.